Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and an edited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our YouTube channel membership. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of their actions and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
Negative so far. The deer's also possibly gone too.
He's 18.
Oh, is he? Beautiful.
I got his info. He doesn't have a license. How's it going?
What's going on? $14 today.
And the 22nd was how much? 37.
37.76.
Case number 52.
Do we have a receipt with everything on?
You want one receipt?
Yeah, one receipt's fine.
Yeah.
Around 7:37 p.m. on December 29, 2025, Officer Joshua Chambers with the Middletown Township Police Department was dispatched to a report of a shoplifter being detained at the Target on 2905 Route 35. He walked over to the loss prevention office and made contact with the alleged shoplifter, who was identified as 18-year-old Dominiks Marnauza. The loss prevention employees informed the officers that he had attempted to steal a chocolate bar and lotion by concealing it on his person. The total value was estimated to be about $14.
Yeah, take a picture of the screen.
You got video of anything yet, or?
They showed it to me. Concealed a chocolate bar and lotion.
Was that those two things were today?
Yeah, the lotion was today too, right?
Yeah. Yes. There is. I think I gave you the receipt.
Not with everything.
I gave you the one from today.
There's one up there.
Yes. This is from just today.
Okay.
And then she's gonna get one with everything.
Do we have footage of the other day as well?
Yeah, I was watching him actually the other day. So we have.
387, of course.
Here.
What is concealment again?
Yeah. But same thing, like little things. It's like pencils, a gift card, like a Christmas card, shirt, and eye black.
And he left the store with these?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he beat me to the door the other day, so I wasn't able to get him. He kind of like does it as he's walking. This from the other day. I don't know. I don't have another angle from that. I was watching him on the sales floor. And then he bought a small thing and left. Yeah, he bought just that Kit Kat.
You don't have footage of him concealing it, or?
That was the best I had here. He kind of does it as he's walking. So like everything he has in his hand, he concealed everything except the one item. He left the empty package behind of like the eye black and stuff. I don't have the other angle, but he walks away with just the one item. It's hard to tell from there. It's 20 seconds.
County booking is done. Where is he?
That's all I got for that day.
Okay, can I see today as well?
Yeah. What do you want to see from today? Everything?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is where he just selected the chocolate. He already had those cotton pad things. He's gonna go into the sporting goods aisle. He's gonna conceal it in his left pocket there. Just the candy.
Okay.
That's when he selects the eye black now too. Conceal the eye black.
And this was
Right
today
side.
or the?
Yep, this was
Okay.
today. And the electronics. Over in electronics, he conceals the cotton pads. So conceal them into his waist. You can pick up anything from there. Some cosmetics. So he selects the lotion. Conceals it there. And from there he leaves. You stop him at the door.
Okay. So is this a total of everything, or is this just today?
This is everything.
Everything. Okay. Alright. This was just the stuff from today, right?
You don't need this, right? Yeah.
I'll keep it anyway. It doesn't matter. I'll grab it. Thank you. We have a statement already.
Olivia, can you sign me?
Case number.
Thank you.
Sign it where for you.
Oh yeah, it's right there.
You can just write yes. You could just write yes for your answer. What you're wishing to do is
It's right there.
29.
What's that case number you got there?
46273.
46273.
46273.
Thank you. It's yours.
This was the second time within approximately 1 week that he had allegedly stolen from the store. On December 23, 2025, surveillance footage showed Dominic stealing a shirt, a Christmas card, and some pencils. The value of those was estimated to be $37.76, according to store employees. Based on their surveillance footage and the store's decision to press charges, Dominiks was placed under arrest for shoplifting.
Alright, man, stand up for me. Turn away from me, alright? You're gonna be placed under arrest for shoplifting, alright? Yeah, we keep it on. What's up?
Nothing.
Okay. What's that, your phone you just put in your pocket?
Yeah.
Alright.
What was the total?
$50-something between today and the other day.
What about my mom?
What about your mom?
She's right in that side.
Alright, well, you're 18 years old. If you decide to tell her what's going on, that's up to you. But I'm not gonna tell her. Alright?
Can you take my phone with me?
Yeah, it's we're right. Yep. We're outside. She's waiting in the parking lot.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try here. This car here. Just hang out here a second. All right. Just gonna check your pockets real quick. All right. You got anything on you? Zip open, stick that. What's up?
How long am I?
Dominiks was handcuffed and placed inside the patrol car. He was arrested as his mother was waiting outside for him in the parking lot. Officer Christopher Glietz transported him to the Middletown Township Police Department for further processing.
Gonna be.
So you're gonna land in headquarters, we're gonna do some paperwork, and then we'll see what happens after that, alright? You ever been arrested before?
No, first time.
Hopefully it's the last, right?
Please. Am I gonna be out before tomorrow?
Like I said, we'll figure out everything when we get to headquarters, alright?
Okay. Bring him inside.
I utilize our parking space.
There you go.
We're gonna have one still control.
401, you had a lot of background noise. Can you repeat that?
County 31-413. We got one adult male 41, and I'll be transporting that male 41 from Target to police headquarters, starting mileage 111048.
111048, 1959.
What's that, bud?
Do you have my phone, sir?
I do have your phone, yes.
I'm waiting here.
Okay, well, when we get back to the police station, then we'll figure it out. But you're 18 years old, so you're an adult, okay? You're not a kid. You don't need your mom.
I just need to figure out like a ride back home.
Do you have a car here? How'd you get here?
My friend.
Your friend? Okay. So, you said you've never been arrested before?
Never, first time.
Okay, so the way I'm hoping this is going to go is once we get inside, we're just going to do some paperwork. It's like almost getting a ticket, you know, we'll release you
411.
on a summons with a court date, okay?
I'm getting another hazardous road for Red Hill and Kings Highway for tree branches in the road.
Is the court date virtual?
I do not know, probably not. I mean, that's up to the courts to decide, though. If you have any questions about the court date and everything, when we give you the summons, the court date will be listed on there, and you can also contact the court.
31-410 County.
How long should this take?
Which unit?
A couple of hours.
31-410 County. You can assign me that call.
Maybe an hour or two.
Once I get to wherever we're going, could I get my phone to call my mom to tell her to go home?
Yeah, we'll figure that out when we get inside. Do you know her number?
Yes, I do.
All right, we have a phone in there you can use, okay?
I never thought it would go this far to me getting handcuffed.
Yeah, it's what happens when you shoplift.
Or is the ticket gonna be the sum of the receipt?
What's that?
Like, is the ticket gonna be the sum of the receipt?
No, it would be a court-determined fine.
Could you possibly call my mom and just tell her to go home?
I can't call her right now. When we get inside, we can call her, okay? I'll let you, if you're cool with us, I'll let you do it, okay?
this prevent me from joining the army or no?
What's that?
Would something like this, like a case of shoplifting, prevent me from joining the army?
I don't know. It's possible, but you are entitled to fair trial, and you are going to go to court, and you're going to answer for it. I don't know what the judge is going to decide. They could dismiss it. They could amend it. You know, or it's all court proceedings after this. Okay.
Got it.
And as far as you joining the army, I mean, I guess that would be whatever their rules are for the army.
Is this a felony?
No, it was. We don't really have felonies or misdemeanors in New Jersey. We go off of like a disorderly persons offense, you know, which is, I guess you could consider that in another state's terms a misdemeanor, which is that's what this is going to be. Because it's if it was over $200, that would be an indictable crime. That would be a 4th degree crime, which this is not. So. The 413's arriving headquarters, ending 111050.
111050. 2006.
Yes. .413 to the OSC. Can you pop door 7, please? Go over there.
He was charged with shoplifting under 2C 2011 Visa 2 and released pending his court appearance. As of March 10, 2026, Dominik's charge is still pending before the Middletown Township Municipal Court. Property records also indicate that he currently resides in a home in Middletown Township, NJ, that is worth about $1.3 million.
I'm gonna go through this door. And to the left over here through this one. There.
Just face away so you face the wall, right?